Good morning everyone. Today we're going to see about the UDP. Okay, so last week we have saw about the TCP. Okay, so this week we will see about the UDP. Okay, so UDP. Okay, UDP does not provide the sequence number. Okay, for example, last week we have shown that in the flag that sequence number will be considered. Okay, this sequence number will not be considered in the this sequence number will not be considered in the UDP. Okay, so there is no sequence field in the UDP header. If segments arrive out of order, UDP has no mechanism to put them back in order. Okay, so and the UDP does not provide the flow control. Okay, so it will not have a proper flow control. Okay, and so what in the UDP header, so what is inside the, what fields will be the inside the UDP header? Okay, so there will be the source and destination number. Okay, so there will be a source and the destination port numbers. Okay, so the length field, will be indicating the so the length field will indicate the length of the segment, how many length is there, that packet is how many length is there. Okay, so what is a checksum? Okay, the checksum means, so the host receiving, it will check for any errors have been considered. Okay, so if any error have been happened, so it will check the any error. Okay, okay, so the TCP provides the TCP. Okay, the TCP provides the more features than the UDP, but the cost of the additional overhead is very costly. Okay, so for applications, communications, reliable communications, for application required and reliable communication, downloading a file, TCP is preferred. Okay, for applications like a real time voice and video, UDP is preferred. Okay, so there are some applications that use a UDP, only UDP. Okay, so reliability, there will be reliability in the application itself. Some voice, videos, and that will be very realistic. Some application like use both TCP and UDP, depending upon the situation. Some applications will be used by the both the TCP UDP. Okay, so this is the so it's all about the UDP. UDP is a small concept. Okay, the TCP, it is UDP. UDP, it has a speciality in the video clarity, and it will provide the faster video quality and voice. So it is speciality in this. TCP will be speciality in the proper communication. It does not break in between the communication. Okay, so that is a speciality in the TCP and the UDP. So I will not give assurance that both the only TCP, because of the reliable communication, only TCP has been utilized more, and the UDP, because of the clarity of the video and the voice over, that the UDP is used both are equally it is utilized. Okay, so that some applications I have said no, some application have said both use both the TCP and the UDP applications, which is the DNS, the domain name is example of the same. Some applications use TCP and domain, it is used by the TCP and the UDP. Okay, so this is all the features above the UDP. Okay, if you have any doubts, please leave a comments. Okay, so thank you. So next week we will have the lengthy video with the good topic. Okay, so thank you for your patience for watching my video. Thank you students. Thank you.